To get started, let's make sure you've got access to Microsoft Teams. Teams is available on Windows, Mac, phone and tablet. For the best overall experience, I recommend that you use Teams on your desktop or laptop computer, and that version is known as Teams Desktop. On Windows computers, Teams may already be installed by your administrator, and you can check whether you have it already by choosing the Windows button and then just typing Teams, and you should see that purple Teams app come up. On a Mac, just go to Finder and look in your applications list. Now, if you don't see it and it's not installed, you can just open up a browser and search for Download Microsoft Teams. And you can choose to download for desktop. We're going to focus on Teams for work. So if you're asked which one you prefer to download, always choose work or school. Now open the file it downloads and run through the installation. Now this process is pretty much the same if you run it from the Mac, but the name of the file that's downloaded is different. Once Teams is ready, you'll be asked to sign in. Teams only works when it's connected to the internet and you're signed in. So sign in with your work email address and password and you're ready to go. If it's not possible to install Teams on the computer you're using, you can also use it in almost any modern browser. This is not always the best experience, particularly if you're in a meeting, but it does do the job in most situations. To get to the browser version of Teams, just open up a browser and type office.com into the address bar. You'll be asked to log in and you just use your work email address and password. You land on the Office homepage and you can start Teams from this bar on the left-hand side. Or you can go to the waffle button where you'll see all your apps. And finally, there are great versions of Teams on Android, iOS and iPadOS, so you can use Teams on your phone and tablet. Just go to the App Store for the device you're using and search for Microsoft Teams, and log in with your work username and password.